Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Edu everybody. So in the last video, we have gone through the HTML element and we have gone through the self-closing and the empty tag. Now today we are going to move on towards our coding part. So let's move. So what's the meaning of boilerplate? So if I write doc, then if I write doc and press enter, then it will be the boilerplate which we have seen in the last couple of videos. So this is the title tag. So here I will write the html tags. Okay, now this is a body tag. Inside body tag we write everything which we need to require. So these are, so that's it. So let write it properly. So we have gone to the h1 tag, h2 tag, h3, h4, we have h5, then we have a, so here, then let me write one more tag, that is span. So this is the first span tag. Now I am writing here again, this is second span. Okay, so these are the heading tag, this is the paragraph tag, this is the horizontal which creates a horizontal line, this is a break line which moves the content in the next line. So that's why I have written the two content. Okay, so first let's comment it out and see what will be the output. Let's comment it out as well. So let me write this one, so that will take the, so let's write here Google. Okay, so we have a anchor tag. Anchor tag takes the two thing, we call this as attribute. Go there, and if I search simply here what is href, so what is href in anchor tag, so it will give us, so href is abbreviated as hypertext reference. This is the attribute that is available inside the anchor tag. I hope you are clear. So this will take the link, and this is the content on which if we click then it will take us there. Okay, and how we will go to the browser, we have a go live. If I click on this one, then it will take us to the here. As you can see, I have told you in the last video that h1 is the has the bigger font size. As you can see, h5 has the smaller. Then we have a paragraph tag, that is this one. Okay, now we have a hr tag, horizontal line. So as you can see, this is horizontal line. Now we have a span tag. Now these two are coming in one line. So let me add the br tag here and br tag here. So as you can see, all these three are in the separate line. By because br takes the content in the next line. Okay, so it actually breaks the continuity of the content. Now we have a anchor tag. So if I click on Google, then it will take us to the google.com. so it is correct. I hope this is clear. Now let's go and type here a small image. So let's forgo this one. So there are two type of link you can write here. First is the relative link, and second one is the absolute link. Okay, so here if I copy here, and this is src, means source from where the image is coming, and this is the alternate. It means that if there is some error, if the net is weak, if the image is not able to upload, then in front of the image what we can display. So I can display here the tiger image. So if I go there, now as you can see, this is tiger image which is visible. So I hope you are clear with all the heading tag, image tag. Then we have a hr tag, we have seen, we have a span tag, we have a br tag, and we have a anchor tag. So okay, so this is done. Now if we will move on, then in this we will go through some of them, like the input tag. Let's go to the input tag. So what is input tag? Input tag is simply the tag in which we can enter any value. So let's write here edu everybody. So So if I go there, as you can see, edu everybody is coming here, so I can write anything here. Okay, so what column is used for the table? HR we have seen, input we have seen, link tag is used for the JavaScript for attaching the external JavaScript file. Now that's it, we have gone through many of them from here as well, so we do not need to go more detail in that. So we have seen all the tag, so I hope guys it is clear to you. So in the next video we will go through the HTML attributes and what is formatting tag. Okay, so I hope guys this is clear to you. Bye bye guys, I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.